Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it's unlocked and connected to the Wi-Fi network you want the name to appear on. Next, open Settings and go directly to About or System. This is where device name lives. If you plan to change how the router displays devices, keep admin credentials handy. Once you're in the About screen, tap the device name field and get ready to edit. This immediate step sets the rest of the process in motion. Now edit the name. Tap the name field and type a concise, unique label under 32 characters. Think Alex phone or work iPhone. Use letters, numbers, and dashes. Avoid unusual symbols because some routers strip or mangle them. After typing, press Save or Done so the operating system commits the change. This updates the name that your phone broadcasts. Many routers and devices will display the new label immediately. Make sure to restart Wi-Fi. Finish by forcing a network refresh. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or reboot the phone so the router sees the new name. Then check your router's client list. If it still shows the old label, clear the router cache or remove the old device entry so it registers again. If the name still won't update, reset network settings on the phone or update both phone OS and router firmware. That often fixes compatibility issues. If problems persist, use the router admin interface to rename the entry manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.